guys, it's me again, Sean. Today we are printing 3D printing some pulleys. They're printing a little bit rough. Let's see what's my temperature. Let's see if we'll get a better characteristics. Let's go. That should be a little bit too much, but that will allow us to know if raising the temperature does help in this case. So let's take a look. Okay, we'll wait a little bit longer. Okay, so after a little bit of tune-up, a couple minutes, so as it turns out, so it's the heat was a little bit too on the lower side at 215, raised it up to 220. Went from 225 to 220, and I raised up the fan speed just a little smidgen to 82%. And the only thing that will make this better is because it's such a small print and I want it to be done quickly, I made it go very fast. And I'm sure if you know what, 69, we're gonna see how this comes out in a second. In the meantime, oh yeah, check out that Lucy here. It's all messed up, the whole arm, everything, the shock mount. So we're gonna see if we can get a nice actually see if we can get some content out of this thing and get some machine parts, billet aluminum parts. I'm thinking of either doing it myself, 3D printing it in carbon fiber, or getting it CNC, or just spending the money and fixing it. That might be the best solution. Might generate some content with cool parts, aluminum, but at the end of the day, I like doing shit myself. So, and if it's cool with you guys, actually, you know what? Here, let me show you how it gets done. So, this is, we're looking at some Circus Soleil tickets. Holy cow, it's expensive. So I like to use Cura. Cura's pretty good. Basically, we have our parts. Move them around. Right over here, we have different settings. If you want to rotate it, you want to make it a little bit bigger. If you printed one out and you notice it's a little bit too small and you need it just a little bit bigger, scale it out to 102%, 103%. You can move it around. And here's all the settings. And this is where you and your machine and the tuning make fast parts and allow you to make very fast prints. That's the tune-up. That's where you become a genius, and how you can get a print going from some here. This one was when we started. This is what comes on the machine as a print that you can print out. Great, nice, fine quality. Looks amazing. 0.4 nozzle. Alright, that took about freaking 5.5, 6 hours. I'm not even over exaggerating here. Ridiculous. Believe it or not, this quality with the same 0.4 nozzle came out in about 3.5 hours with the same fine detail. Now, this, for example, I printed this one out in about 45 minutes. And this over here, probably about the whole bowl, an hour and a half. Why? Because when you learn to use bigger nozzles, different settings, different thickness walls, learn what's important, what's not important, you can get a lot of different results. I used to have here to stack these guys, and it would balance itself out, and that's how I would run my machines. Actually, you know what? Let's do this right now. Let's set it back up. We can probably have 2 here and 2 here. I used to have more, but now those 2 are interfering. Anyways, alright, let's see how it's going so far. Okay, so now that we lowered the speed. Oh, okay, so that's good. That's our infill. That means we finished doing our base layers, and that's looking very crisp. And the outer edge is looking very good. Very fine. We'll check back on it soon. Alright guys, some time later. Here's what we got. Making some progress. Walking through the shop, let's see what royie's up to while it's printing. Got the engine in. Very cool. Hooking all of the stuff up. Radiator goes on, belts, everything else. It looks like we're making some good old progress. And it has been 1 hour and 16 minutes at 69%. And we can run it faster, probably. I'll raise it up to 70, 80%. Get it going so I can go home. Guys, we're almost finished. Check with it soon. Okay, we got 99% done. Looking good. A little bit, could have used supports probably on the overhangs right over here. Soon they'll come out just like in a bakery. And that's it. Should be finished right now, and now they'll all pop out. Final little circles at the top. That's it. We got our 3 pulleys with the set screws all ready to go. Took a total of 2 hours and 26 minutes at 70% roughly. Now that they're all finished, we're just going to remove the brim off of them. Of course it had to fall for the camera. It's hard holding a camera and doing it with one hand. But anyways, let's see if we got it. There we go. I'll clean it up better, don't worry. All done, all ready to go. See you later. Have a good one. Bye.